Up for sale, we have this 2016 Retreat Keppel. This van is a repairable write-off due to impact, but has been professionally repaired and inspected by Vic Roads and cleared. This van does come with 12 months Victorian rego. So this van is equipped with all the fruit: independent suspension, solar, shower and toilet, diesel heater and the likes. A combination of luxury and great off-road capability. So starting up the front, brand new DO35 hitch. Got our breakaway 12-pin trailer plug, Anderson plug and reverse camera plug. Twin gas bottle holders with full bottles. Our diesel heater tank. Little stone guard there to protect the front. Big through tunnel boot. We've got two 110 amp hour AGM batteries and two 95 litre water tanks. Brand new all-terrain tyres on alloy rims. Gas and electric hot water system. Got an external shower, our water filler and toilet cassette. As you can see, this van is in very good condition. LED tail lights, 12 months Vic reg. We've got our spare wheel there. Double glazed windows throughout. Big rollout awning. A big solar panel up there on the roof. Got our picnic table, outdoor entertainment, LED lighting inside and out. Little gas bayonet under there, perfect for a barbecue, or could do a slide out kitchen fit out in the tunnel boot. We've got a tear of 2001 kilos and an ATM of 2401. Build date 6 months 2016. So this van is immaculate. It's very nice inside and out. We do have an electric step. As you step in, we got the modern interior and black leather. So cafe style dining with a fold away table. We've got our microwave and our stove. And just your standard 3-burner gas stove and grill with one electric hot plate. Up here we do have all our battery management systems, so Enerdrive solar controller, projector charger, water pump switches and the likes. Got a stereo and our water level reader and voltmeter. Big shower and toilet. Plenty of room in there. Coming around, another little kitchen bench with plenty of storage. Compressor fridge freezer. Plenty of room to keep your beers cold. Queen size island bed with plenty of underbed storage. We do also have our diesel heater there. Brand new 12-volt smart TV. We got USB chargers in the little pockets there. And plenty of cigarette lighters and USB chargers throughout. Some Four Seasons hatches. We've got our Ibis 3 air conditioner and heater. I'm sure there's plenty more that I've missed. But for more information or to book an inspection, please give me a call on 0498 541 795. We're located out in Langwarrin South. So give me a call and I'll be sure to answer any questions. Cheers.